everyone. Welcome back to Learn English Fast with Podcast. I'm Mike.
And I'm Jessica. How are you today, Mike?
I am doing great, Jessica. Today, we're going to have a super practical lesson for all our learners. We're going to the supermarket. Yes, a grocery store. To learn English you can actually use when paying for groceries.
That's right. This episode was actually requested by one of our listeners. They wanted phrases and vocabulary for buying groceries and interacting with cashiers.
Perfect. Let's imagine our scenario.
Okay, picture this. You're at the checkout, ready to pay. You've got your cart full, maybe a few coupons, and you're a bit in a rush.
Exactly. Let's start.
Excuse me, sir. This is the express checkout lane for people with 15 items or fewer. Looks like you have more than 15 items.
Oh no, I have 16 items. Come on, cut me some slack, will you?
All right, please place your items on the belt and push your cart through. Do you prefer paper or plastic?
Plastic, please. Oh, and I have a couple of coupons, too.
No problem. Let me check. Oh, these coupons expired yesterday.
Oh well, I guess it's just not my day. Thanks anyway. Do you accept a club card or will it be cash?
We do. How would you like to pay? Debit or credit?
Debit, please. Also, can I get cash back? About $50 would be great.
Sure. Your total is $78.60. Here's your receipt and have a nice day.
Thank you.
Okay, so in that dialogue, we covered several useful phrases. First, the express checkout lane. That's a fast line for customers with fewer items.
And the belt, not for your pants this time, but the moving conveyor where you place your groceries.
Exactly. Then we had coupons, which give discounts on products. And sometimes they can expire, meaning they're no longer valid.
And finally, club cards are store-specific loyalty cards, while cashback lets you get extra money when paying with a card.
All of these are very common in supermarkets, especially in America.
Yes, and here's a fun fact. Many cashiers in the US are students, often high school or college working part-time.
That's right. High school girls often work at the checkout, while boys might stock shelves or work in the warehouse.
And coupons are extremely popular too. People clip them from newspapers or apps to save on groceries, even if it's just a few cents per item. Over time, it adds up.
Okay, Mike, let's talk about some casual phrases from the dialogue. Cut me some slack. What does that mean?
It's informal and basically means don't be so strict or give me a little freedom. Like, if you're late or things aren't going perfectly, you can ask someone to cut you some slack.
Perfect example. If you're a minute late to work, you could say, "Hey, cut me some slack. Traffic was terrible."
Another phrase, paper or plastic. This is a classic cashier question. Always good to know it's about bag choice.
And finally, it's just not my day. This is something we say when a lot of small bad things happen and everything feels a bit off.
Like spilling coffee in the morning, missing the bus, and then realizing your groceries are more expensive than expected. It's just not your day.
Let's replay the dialogue once more naturally. Hi there. Welcome to the express checkout lane. Looks like you have a few more than 15 items today.
Oh, really? I have 17 items. Please cut me some slack.
No worries. Just place your items on the belt and I'll help you. Do you prefer paper or plastic bags?
I'll take paper this time. Oh, and I have 2 coupons for some snacks.
Let me check. Oh, I'm sorry. These coupons expired yesterday.
Oh no. Well, it's just not my day. Thanks anyway. Can I pay with my club card?
Absolutely. Debit or credit?
Debit, please. Can I also get cash back? $30 this time.
Sure thing. Your total is $65.50. Here's your receipt and have a great day.
Thanks a lot.
See, Mike? Same key phrases, but now in a slightly different scenario. This helps learners understand that these phrases are flexible and natural in different settings.
Exactly. And now, let's add a few more phrases that go along with this situation.
Perfect. First, we have "I'm in a rush." This is super common when shopping and can be added politely. "I'm in a rush. Could you help me quickly, please?"
Another one. Do you have a bag for this? Sometimes stores don't provide a bag automatically.
Yes. And also, could you double bag this? Very practical if your groceries are heavy.
And a fun one. I think I left my wallet in the car. Sometimes life happens, and you can say this politely at checkout.
Great! These phrases make you sound natural and prepared, not just like a textbook speaker.
Our listeners, remember, the more scenarios you practice, the easier it is to remember these words and use them confidently.
So today we learned checkout lane, belt, coupons, expired, club card, cashback, cut me some slack, paper or plastic. It's just not my day. Plus new phrases like I'm in a rush. Do you have a bag for this? Could you double bag this? I think I left my wallet in the car.
That's a lot of practical language packed into 2 grocery store scenarios.
Absolutely. And by practicing in different settings, you'll gain fluency faster.
Remember, everyone, real conversations are key. Don't just memorize. Use the phrases, try role plays, and practice whenever you can.
Thanks for joining us at Learn English Fast with Podcast. We'll see you in the next episode with more fun and practical English lessons.
Bye, everyone.